Hi, Jason here from Focus Pro Audio. Today we're going to talk about the AstroLab Avant-Garde stage keyboard by Arturia. This is a powerhouse instrument that's perfect for live performers and studio musicians alike. The AstroLab Avant-Garde stage features a 61-note semi-weighted keyboard, piano-sized keys with aftertouch, up to 10,000 sounds via the Arturia software, a navigation wheel which includes a screen for easy browsing, preset buttons for quick sound access, macro controls for quick editing, and 4 dedicated knobs to control effects. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for new product announcements, tutorials, and more. See you next time.